Are you one of them wanted to pursue your MBBS in one of the top medical colleges in India? Then this is the right time and you have clicked the right video. Yes, you all guessed right. The CMC application for MBBS admissions have been started, and this video is going to be all about that, where I'm going to talk about all the steps and processes that's involved in your application, and most of your doubts will be cleared by the end of this video, so please consider watching the video till the end. And before that, if you're new to this channel, hi, this is Nawin. I'm a second year medical student at CMC Vellore, and welcome back to the channel. So firstly, where to apply? So you'll have to apply in the specific website, which I'll also link in the description down below, or you can just find it by just typing in admissions CMC Vellore. So once you click in that website, you'll be directed to a page where different courses that you can actually apply will be displayed, and let's say the course in which we are interested in is MBBS. So once you click in the MBBS, that's a group A course, then you'll be directed to another page where you'll have to click an option saying candidate registration, and also you'll find other options like entering the NEET score and the Tamil Nadu rank, which you're supposed to enter in this particular portal once it has been released, and the date before which you're supposed to enter will also be specified in an updated admission bulletin, which you can check in the admissions CMC Vellore website. So please keep checking the website regularly. So now once you click in the candidate registration, you'll be taken through a 5-step process, and I'm going to explain it one by one. So firstly, you'll have to fill in your personal details, and the second step is you'll have to select the course in which you're interested in. So one thing to be noted here is one can actually apply for a maximum of 7 courses including MBBS with just a single application form. That's with just a single payment. And the third step is upload your photo and your signature, and please kindly use the same photo and the same signature that you have already used or you're going to use for NEET registration as well. And the next process is obviously the payment, which can either be done via credit card, debit card, or net banking. Suppose if you have no access to the above mentioned methods, then you can also pay through an ICICI challan, and only once you complete the payment process, an application number would be generated and you can print and download the completed application form. So this completed application form is only for your future reference, and this need not to be sent to CMC's registrar's office. So please note that. And once you have done all these, within 1 week after final submission, you will actually receive a confirmation SMS or a confirmation email that's sent from CMC's registrar's office, which you can take it as a further confirmation. And one thing which I would suggest you to do is please look into the UG admission bulletin, which I'll also link down in the description below once you have finished watching this video. So now I'm going to discuss about the 2 important doubts that I feel most people would definitely have, and also I've received few comments regarding that, and few of my friends and including me had these doubts. So let's get into it. So firstly, who should apply? So as we all know, CMC seat matrix is about 100. So CMC takes in about 100 students every year for MBBS admissions, and out of that 100 seats, 74 seats is allotted to the minority network category, and 10 seats is to the staff quota, and the remaining 16 seats will be to the open category. And out of that 16 seats, we have 12 seats for general and 3 seats for an SC and ST candidate, and 1 seat will be selected by the Indian government, that's a central pool seat. So this is how the seat matrix of CMC is. So now, who should be applying to the CMC's application? So if you fall under the minority network category or the staff quota, then you should be applying to the CMC's application, followed by which you should also be applying to the Tamil Nadu Medical Selection Committee under management quota counseling once it has been started. But if you fall under open category, then you need not to apply. Yes, you need not to apply for the CMC's application in this portal. Instead, you can directly apply to the Tamil Nadu Medical Selection Committee's website under management quota once the dates has been released. So secondly, what are all the documents that are supposed to be sent to the CMC's registrar's office? So firstly, if your payment is done through a ICICI challan, then the original challan should be sent. Secondly, the copy of the caste certificate, if applicable, should be sent, and if the caste certificate is printed in some other regional languages, then the English translation should also be attached with it. And thirdly, you will also have to send these documents if applicable. If you have further more queries, please kindly look into the UG admission bulletin. And these documents are supposed to be sent to the CMC's registrar's office within the dates that specifically specified in the UG admission bulletin. So please check it out either as a speed post or a courier. So that's it, my friends. If you have found this video useful, please consider subscribing and also hit that bell icon so you'll never miss any single video or update of mine, and also consider giving me a thumbs up. That really means a lot to me. And if you would like to see other videos in my channel, or if you have any valuable video suggestions, please comment down below and I would love to do that. See you all in the next video.